Hi students, இன்னைக்கு 8th standard math subjectல term 1ல first lesson rational numbersல exercise 1.2 பார்ப்போம். அதுல third question verify the closure property for addition and multiplication of the rational numbers minus 5 and minus 5 by 7 and 8 by 9. இது ரெண்டு நம்பருக்குரிய closure property additionக்கும் multiplicationக்கும் என்ன வரும் அப்படிங்கறத பாப்போம். property அதெல்லாமே வந்து நம்ம முன்னாடி இந்த வீடியோல பார்த்தோம். இப்போ வந்து அதை எப்படி யூஸ் பண்றது அப்படினு நம்ம பாப்போம். சரி, ஃபர்ஸ்ட் closure property for addition. additionக்கு closure property என்ன வரும்? closure property என்ன வரும்? ஏதாவது ரெண்டு நம்பர் எடுத்துப்போம். அந்த ரெண்டு நம்பர் எடுத்து ஏதாவது ரெண்டு நம்பர் ஒரு குரூப்ல இருக்கிற ஒரு ரெண்டு நம்பர் எடுத்துப்போம். அது ஆட் பண்ணோம்னா அதே குரூப்ல வரணும். அதுதான் வந்து closure property நம்ம சொல்லுவோம். சரி, இங்க வந்து ரெண்டு ரேஷனல் நம்பர் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. இது ரெண்டுமே ரேஷனல் நம்பர், ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் ஃபார்ம்ல இருக்கிற ரேஷனல் நம்பர் தான். அப்ப இது ரெண்டையும் ஆட் பண்ணா நம்மளுக்கு என்ன வரணும்? அதோட ஆன்சருமே ஒரு ரேஷனல் நம்பரா வரணும். அப்போ என்ன சொல்லலாமா? closure property for addition அப்படின்னா a by b is a rational number and c by d rational number அப்படின்னா இது ரெண்டையும் ஆட் பண்ற நம்பர்ஸ். ரெண்டையும் ஆட் பண்றது சம் e by f இது வச்சிட்டோம்னா இது வந்து என்ன நம்பரா தான் இருக்கணும்? ரேஷனல் நம்பரா தான் இருக்கணும். ரெண்டு ரேஷனல் நம்பர் எடுத்துக்கிட்டோம் அப்படின்னா மூணாவது வரதும் வந்து என்னவா தான் வரணும்? ரேஷனல் நம்பரா தான் வரணும். இதுவும் ரேஷனல் நம்பர், இதுவும் இன்னொன்னும் ஒரு ரேஷனல் நம்பர். அப்படி இருந்து அதோட அடிஷன் பண்ணோம்னா அதுவும் ஒரு ரேஷனல் நம்பரா வருது. அடிஷனல் நம்பருக்குரிய ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி. இப்போ இந்த a by b பதிலாக நம்ம கொடுத்துருக்காங்க நம்பர் -5/7 plus 8/9 அப்படிங்கிற ரேஷனல் நம்பர் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. இது ரெண்டையும் நம்ம ஆட் பண்ணும்போது 7க்கும் 9க்கும் எல்சிஎம் பார்ப்போம். 7க்கும் 9க்கும் காமன் நம்பர் எதுவும் இல்லை. ஸோ வி கேன் மல்டிப்ளை டைரக்ட்லி. 7 9s are 63. 7 9s are 63. அப்போ என்ன பண்ணணும்? 9 இங்கே மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணணும். கிராஸ் மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன். 9 5s are 45. 9 5s are 45. இங்க இருக்கிற மைனஸ் அப்படியே போட்டுப்போம். இப்போ அடுத்தது இங்க 7 8s are 56. 7 8s are 56. இங்க பிளஸ், இங்க மைனஸ் இல்லை அப்படிங்கிறதுனால பிளஸ் இன்டூ பிளஸ் தான் வரும். பிளஸ் இன்டூ பிளஸ் சிம்பிள் தான். இப்போ அடுத்தது ரெண்டையும் நம்ம ஆட் பண்ணும்போது மைனஸ் பிளஸ் வந்துச்சுன்னா நம்ம சப்ராக்ட் தான் பண்ணணும். மைனஸ் பிளஸ் வந்துச்சுன்னா நம்ம சப்ராக்ட் தான் பண்ணணும். அதாவது 56ல இருந்து 45 சப்ராக்ட் பண்ணணும். 6ல 5 போனா 1, 5ல 4 போனா 1. தென் பிக்கர் நம்பர் சிம்பிள். பிக்கர் நம்பர் இங்க என்னது? 56. அதனுடைய சிம்பிள் பிளஸ். அப்போ பிளஸ் 11. இப்போ இதனுடைய ஆன்சர் 11 divided by 63. இது க்ளோசர் ப்ராப்பர்ட்டிக்கான அடிஷன். இது இப்போ இதுவும் வந்து என்ன நம்பர்? 11/63ங்கிறதும் வந்து ஒரு ரேஷனல் நம்பர் தான். அப்போ இட் சாட்டிஸ்ஃபை தி க்ளோசர் ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி. இதுவும் ஒரு ரேஷனல் நம்பர் தான். சரி, இப்போ ரேஷனல் க்ளோசர் ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி ஃபார் அடிஷனுக்கு பார்த்துட்டோம். அடுத்தது க்ளோசர் ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி ஃபார் மல்டிப்ளிகேஷனுக்கு என்ன அப்படிங்கறத பார்ப்போம். closure property for multiplication. சரி, மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன் அப்படின்னா அதோடைய ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி என்னது? a by bங்கிற ஒரு ரேஷனல் நம்பர் மல்டிப்ளை பை அதர் ரேஷனல் நம்பர் c by d. இதோட ஆன்சர் வந்து எப்படி வரணும்? ac divided by bd. இதுவும் வந்து என்ன நம்பர்னு சொல்லணும்? ரேஷனல் நம்பரா இருந்துச்சுன்னா நம்ம அதையே க்ளோசர் ப்ராப்பர்ட்டின்னு சொல்லுவோம். வாங்க இது வருதான்னு பார்ப்போம். 5/7ங்கிற நம்பர் எடுத்துப்போம் இன்டூ 8/9. மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன் ரேஷனல் நம்பர் எப்படி மல்டிப்ளை பண்றதுங்கிறது முன்னாடி சொல்லியிருக்கிறேன், இருந்தாலும் மறுபடியும் சொல்றேன். 5 8s are அப்படியே டைரக்டா மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணா போதும். 5 8s are 40. மைனஸ் இன்டூ பிளஸ் மைனஸ் டிவைடட் பை 7 9s are 63. இதுக்கு ஏதாவது காமன் நம்பர் இருந்துச்சுன்னா கேன்சல் பண்ணிக்கலாம். இப்போ எதுவும் இல்லை. ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் ஃபார்முக்கு ஆல்ரெடி ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் ஃபார்ம்ல தான் இருக்கு. இப்போ எதுவும் பண்ண வேண்டியது இல்லை. இப்போ இதுவும் வந்து என்ன நம்பர் சொல்லலாம்? ரேஷனல் நம்பர் சொல்லிக்கலாம். இதுவும் வந்து ரேஷனல் நம்பர் தான். அப்போ இட் சாட்டிஸ்ஃபைஸ் தி closure property for addition and multiplication. சரி, அடுத்த क्वेश्चन பார்க்கலாம். அடுத்த சம்ம verify the associative property for addition and multiplication of the rational numbers -10/11, 5/6, -4/3. இந்த மூணுமே வந்து ரேஷனல் நம்பர்ஸ் தான். இப்போ இதனுடைய அசோசியேட்டிவ் ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி நம்ம ஃபர்ஸ்ட் எழுதுவோம். அசோசியேட்டிவ் ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி அப்படின்னா ஃபார் அடிஷன் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் எழுதுவோம். Associative property for addition. Addition உடைய associative property என்னது? A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. அது ரேஷனல் நம்பரில் சொல்லியிருப்பாங்க, நம்ம இன்டீஜர்ஸில் வச்சுட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் சொல்லிக்கலாம். நான் அதில் சொன்னால் கன்ஃபியூஸ் ஆகும், அதனால நான் இதுவே எழுதிக்கிட்டேன். A plus B, அதாவது ஃபர்ஸ்ட் 2 நம்பர் ஆட் பண்ணிக்கிட்டு அப்புறம் 3வது நம்பரோட ஆட் பண்ணுறது. அடுத்தது A plus அப்புறம் லாஸ்ட் 2 நம்பர் ஆட் பண்ணிக்கிட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் A ஆட் பண்ணுறது. இந்த ரெண்டோடைய வேல்யூவும் ஈக்குவலாக வந்துச்சுன்னா அசோசியேட்டிவ் ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி சாட்டிஸ்ஃபை ஆகுது அப்படின்னு அர்த்தம். வாங்க நம்ம உள்ள போகலாம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட்டு ஏங்கிறது என்ன, பிங்கிறது என்ன, சிங்கிறது என்னன்னு எழுதிப்போம். ஏங்கிறது -10/11, பிங்கிறது இங்கே 5/6, சிங்கிறது -4/3. இப்போ அடிஷனுக்குள்ளே போகிறோம் அப்படின்னா A instead of A you apply the A value -10/11 plus B value 5/6, complete the bracket, plus C value -4/3. Here you need to use the bracket because 2 symbols are coming together. And then plus A -10/11. Here no need to use bracket because here minus symbol is coming here only. If you want you can use bracket also. Plus if you getting confused you can use the bracket. B value 5/6 plus -4/3. Instead of using curve bracket you can use square bracket. And then you are going to multiply the bracket values. -10 divided by 11 plus 5 divided by 6. LCM of 11 and 6 is 66. So you take LCM 66 here, but you can cross multiply these two numbers. 10 6 are 60, minus into plus minus, then plus into plus plus only. 11 5s are 55. Then this get over. We can write this -4/3 as it is. Next -10 divided by 11 plus you can take the LCM for these two number. LCM for 6 and 3 is 6 only, because in 6 table 6 comes, 3 table also 6 comes. So LCM least common multiple is 6 only. So here we have taken 6 only, we can write 5 as it is. Then downwards you need to bring it as 6, so you need to multiply by 2. 3 2s are 6. Denominator you need to multiply by 2 means numerator also you want to multiply by 2. 4 2s are 8, plus into minus minus, plus into minus minus. The next step, -60 plus 55, -60 plus 55 will become -5 divided by 66. 6 plus into minus minus, 60 minus 55 5, bigger number symbol minus, plus -4/3 you will write as it is, which is equal to -10/11 plus 5 minus 8. The same way subtract 5 from 8, then bigger you will get 3, bigger number symbol minus, so -3/6 is the answer for this one. And next -5 divided by 66 plus -4 divided by 3 is equal to -10/11 plus -3/6 we have. Then we take LCM for these two number, it will get 66. If you are writing a 66 here means no need to multiply by 1, you will get as it is -5. Then here you need to multiply by 22, because 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6. Here also you need to multiply by 22. 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8. Then minus plus into minus minus, which is equal to, here also 11, LCM of 11 and 6 is 66. Here cross multiply, you need to multiply crossly. -10 into 6 minus 60 plus, here minus you will be getting, plus into minus minus, 11 3s are 33. Then if you minus minus plus only, minus minus plus, then 88 plus 5, 80 after 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93. minus 93 divided by 66, which is equal to, here also 3, minus 93 divided by 66. So both sides you got same answer. So which satisfy the associative property for addition. That means these numbers are satisfy the associative property for addition. Next, we see this number will satisfy for multiplication or not. Next, same numbers we have taken. Then associative property for multiplication. A into B into C is equal to A into B into C. This also you can write. One more is there for knowledge. I am saying A cross C and then cross B. This also you can find. These three will be equal. This is called associative property. And then first A is minus 10 by 11 and B is 5 by 6. C is minus 4 by 3. These are three values we can assign. So we are going to substitute in the formula. Instead of A, you substitute the value 10 divided by 11 into, you can use bracket also, B value 5 by 6 into C value minus 4 by 3. Wherever you get two symbols together, use a bracket which is equal to 2. We can, these three formula I have given here, you can use 2, that is enough. With this itself we can say that it satisfies the associative property. Then A value minus 10 by 11 into 5 by 6, close the bracket, into minus 4 by 3. Multiplication only you can multiply directly. Minus 10 divided by 11 into 5 4s are 20 minus 20 divided by 6 3s are 18. Then this value, first we will multiply the values inside the bracket. 10 5s are 50 minus 50 divided by 11 6 are 66. Use the bracket. Next minus 4 by 3 you can write as it is. Next minus minus plus. 10 20s are 200. Then 11 18s are 198, which is equal to, same way, 5 4s are 20, you can write 0, minus minus plus. 6 3s are 18, carry over 1, 6 3s are 18 plus 1, 19. So both sides you got equal answer. So it satisfies the, that means these numbers satisfy the associative property for multiplication also. Next we see the next sum. Next sum, fifth sum. Check the commutative property for addition and multiplication of the rational numbers minus 10 by 11 and minus 8 by 33. Next we are going to see the fifth sum in exercise 1.2. Commutative property. We have to check the commutative property for these two numbers, for addition and multiplication. First we see the addition. Commutative property for addition is A plus B is equal to B plus A. What is that? A plus B is equal to B plus A. Here we have taken this value is A, that is minus 10 by 11 is A, minus 8 by 33 is B. We are going to substitute in the property. Instead of A, you can substitute the value minus 10 by 11 plus, instead of B you can substitute this value minus 8 by 33, which is equal to B value minus 8 by divided by 33 plus A value minus 10 divided by 11. Okay, next we will take the LCM. 11 33, LCM for 11 and 33 is 33, because in 33 table only 11 3s are 33, you can write it as, and 33 one times you can write it as 33. 11 3s are 33, then numerator also multiply by 3. Minus 10 into 3 minus 30, plus you can write as it is, or instead of plus you can write it as plus into minus itself. 33 we have taken LCM 33, so no need to multiply by any other number, you can write as it is minus 8, which is equal to, here also you can write LCM as 33. Here you don't need to do anything. Then minus 10, here you need to multiply by 3, here also you need to multiply by 3, and denominator you need to multiply by 3, and numerator also you need to multiply by 3. 10 3s are 30, here I have written, I didn't write the plus symbol, instead of plus I multiplied these two symbols and written as minus. Minus 30 minus 8 minus 38, because minus minus plus and then minus symbol we want to write, divided by 33. This side also minus minus plus, so minus 38 divided by 33. So both sides we got equal, so it satisfies the commutative property also. And we next go for the commutative property for multiplication. Before we saw commutative property for addition we saw, now we are going to see the commutative property for multiplication for these two numbers, that is minus 10 by 11 and minus 8 by 33. First we take it as, what is the commutative property first? We will see that A into B is equal to B into A. This is the commutative property for multiplication. What is that? A into B is equal to B into A. Important one. A into B is equal to B into A. A into B is equal to B into A. A instead of A, minus 10 by 11 into B value minus 8 divided by 33, which is equal to minus 8 divided by 33, that is B value, into A value minus 10 divided by 11. Minus 10 divided by 11. Here multiplication only, so you can multiply directly. Numerator you can multiply, denominator you can multiply. Minus minus plus, 10 8s are 80, and then 11 33s are 343, which is equal to 10 8s are 80. In the same way, 33 into 11, 343. I'm sorry, 363. 363. One shortcut is there, I use that one only. 11 into 33 means you can write this two number aside, then you can add this two number. 3 plus 3, 6. That is the answer. Next time we see the next sum. Next one, sixth sum. Verify the distributive property A into B plus C is equal to A into B, that is A into B plus A into C. For the rational numbers, these numbers we want to check that is two sides are equal or not, we want to check. First we'll take LHS, or you can apply the full formula directly. I am going to apply the full formula directly. That is, instead of, first you will write the formula, that is distributive property. Distributive property. We have two properties in this distributive. That is, one they have given here. Another one is, instead of this plus you can use minus. That is another property. You are not seeing here. You are going to see that later. A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. A into A value 1 by 2 into B plus C. 2 by 3, here also you can use square bracket, plus minus 5 by 6 equal to A into B. A value minus 1 by 2 into B value 2 by 3 plus A into C. Minus 1 by 2 into minus 5 by 6. Into value, we are going to solve the values within the bracket. First we 1 minus 1 by 2 we write as it is. Next we want to take LCM for 3 and 6 because these two plus symbol is there. LCM of 3 and 6 is 6. If you get 3 LCM, if you want to get LCM 6 here means you need to multiply by 2. Denominator 2 means numerator also 2. 2 2s are 4. Here you can write as it is because 6 is already is there. So plus into minus, minus 5. Next step, multiplication only, you can multiply directly. Minus into plus, minus 1 2s are 2. 3 2s are 6. Plus here also multiplication only, you can multiply directly. Minus into minus plus, 1 5s are 5. 2 6 are 12. Next step, here you can multiply only. Before that you need to subtract this value. Minus 1 by 2 into B minus plus, so you need to subtract here. 5 minus 4 1, bigger number symbol minus, so minus 1 by 6. And then this side you need to take LCM and 12 as LCM because in 6 table 12 comes, 12 table also 12 comes. Then 6 2s are 12, numerator also 12, minus 4, 2 2s are 4, minus is there, minus, plus 5, then here multiplication only, minus into minus, plus 2 6 are 12, which is equal to 5 minus 4, 5 minus plus means minus only, so 5 minus 4 1 divided by 12, so therefore it satisfies the distributive property. Distributive property. A cross B plus C is equal to A cross B plus A cross C. A cross C. Hence the proof. Next we see the next sum. Next we see the next sum, 7th one. Evaluate 13 divided by 18 into minus 12 divided by 39 minus 8 by 9 into minus 3 by 4 plus minus 7 divided by minus 9, the whole divided by 63 divided by minus 36 is there. Come, we are going to solve this problem. Before solving this, we can cancel the things which are having common number. We can cancel 6 2s are 12, 6 2s are 12, you can minus right there, minus 2 here, and then 6 3s are 18, 6 3s are 18, you can write it as 6 3s are 18. After writing the answer only you want to cancel it, that is 13 divided by 18 into minus 12 divided by 39 minus 8 by 9 into minus 3 by 4 plus minus 7 divided by minus 9. I am going to change the symbol as multiply, then you can take the reverse of this number also. It is minus 36 divided by 63. Whenever you change the symbol here, instead of division you are going to take inverse of the symbol, then you want to take the inverse of the number also. Then you can cancel it. Which are the numbers having common, you can cancel it. 6 2s are 12 minus 2, 6 3s are 18, 1 13 is 13, 3 13s are 39. So answer for this one is 1 2s are 2 minus 2 divided by 3 3s are 9 minus of, then here also we have common number, you can cancel it. 1 4s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 1 3 is 3, minus 1 is the remainder that, then 3 3s are 9, and this answer 2 1s are 2 minus 2 divided by 3 1s are 3, and then plus, if we cancel this, 1 7s are 7 minus 1 7s are 7, and then how many 7s are 63? Yes, 9 7s are 63, and then here also now 1 minus 1 9s are 9, minus 4 9s are 36. You can cancel this, minus 1 you can cancel, then you will get the answer as minus 1 you can cancel it, and then you can get the answer as minus 4 divided by 9. Next you can take LCM for these three numbers, that is in 9 table 9 will come, 3 table also 9 will come, 9 table also 9 will come, 9 table 9 will come, and 3 table also 9 will come. So I am going to take it LCM for 9 and 3 is 9. Here denominator 9 is there, so you don't need to do anything. Numerator you can write as it is. Then here 3 is there. To bring denominator as 9 is, you need to multiply by 3. Denominator multiply by 3 means numerator also you need to multiply by 3. 2 3s are 6. Here minus is there. Minus into minus plus. So plus into minus minus. Denominator 9 is there. You don't want to multiply by any other number. You can write as it is. Next, minus 6. Plus minus 2 minus 4 will become minus 6, because minus minus plus. We can add these two numbers. That is minus 2 and minus 4 you can add. Then you will get minus 6. Then minus plus 6 is there divided by 9, which is equal to 0. Minus 6 plus 6 will get cancelled. So we will get the answer as 0. The answer for this one is 0. Next we see the next sum. 8th question. Evaluate using appropriate properties. evaluate using appropriate properties. In this question, we want to use the properties which are we know and which are possible we can use here. First one, only one question they have. Two questions they have given. First see the first one. Next we are going to see next one. First, and then these two things we can take it and write it as together, and then we can write this term on the other side. That is 2 by 3 into minus 5 by 12 plus minus 1 by 4 into 2 by 3, then plus minus 4 by 6 into symbol comes here into minus 8 by 12. We can reassign like this, and then in these two terms 2 by 3 is common. In these two terms 2 by 3 is common, so we can take outside. 2 by 3 is common, so we can take outside. In the first term, minus 5 in the first bracket, minus 5 by 12 is there. Then the second bracket plus minus 1 by 4 is there. In the second bracket, minus 1 by 4 is there. We complete the bracket, then plus in this one we are going to cancel the common terms. That is 2 2s are 4, minus 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12. So we got minus 2 by 3 into minus 2 by 3. We can rewrite this as minus 4 minus into minus plus 4 divided by 3 3s are 9. We have rearranged and we have taken 2 by 3 as common. By using distributive property. Which property we use? We are going to use here distributive property. By distributive property. Okay, next we can take LCM for these two number. 12 table 12 will come, 4 table also 12 will come. Here you don't need to do anything, so we can write minus 5 as it is, plus into minus, minus 4 3s are 12, then here also multiply by 3, minus 3. Then we can write as it is 4 by 9. The next step 2 by 3, this you can write it as minus 8 by 12, minus 8 by 12 plus 4 by 9. Then here you can, if you cancel means you will be getting 1 2 is 2, 6 2s are 12, 4 2s are 8, minus 4 2s are 8, 3 2s are 6, then which is equal to minus 4 divided by 3 3s are 9 plus 4 divided by 9. Both will get cancelled. You will get the answer as 0. Thank you. Next we see the next sum. 8th question, evaluate using appropriate properties. Evaluate using appropriate properties. In this question, we want to use the properties which are we know and which are possible we can use here. First one, only one question they have. Two questions they have given. First see the first one. Next we are going to see next one. First, and then these two things we can take it and write it as together, and then we can write this term on the other side. That is 2 by 3 into minus 5 by 12 plus minus 1 by 4 into 2 by 3, then plus minus 4 by 6 into symbol comes here into minus 8 by 12. We can reassign like this, and then in these two terms 2 by 3 is common. In these two terms 2 by 3 is common, so we can take outside. 2 by 3 is common, so we can take outside. In the first term, minus 5 in the first bracket, minus 5 by 12 is there. Then the second bracket plus minus 1 by 4 is there. In the second bracket, minus 1 by 4 is there. We complete the bracket, then plus in this one we are going to cancel the common terms, that is 2 2s are 4, minus 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12. So we got minus 2 by 3 into minus 2 by 3. We can rewrite this as minus 4 minus into minus plus 4 divided by 3 3s are 9. We have rearranged and we have taken 2 by 3 as common. By using distributive property. Which property we use? We are going to use here distributive property. By distributive property. Okay, next we can take LCM for these two number. 12 table 12 will come, 4 table also 12 will come. Here you don't need to do anything, so we can write minus 5 as it is, plus into minus, minus 4 3s are 12, then here also multiply by 3, minus 3. Then we can write as it is 4 by 9. The next step, 2 by 3, this you can write it as minus 8 by 12, minus 8 by 12 plus 4 by 9. Then here you can, if you cancel means you will be getting 1 2 is 2, 6 2s are 12, 4 2s are 8, minus 4 2s are 8, 3 2s are 6. Then which is equal to minus 4 divided by 3 3s are 9 plus 4 divided by 9. Both will get cancelled. You will get the answer as 0. Thank you. Next we see the next sum. Next, second question of 8th sum. Second question of 8th sum. This one, first find out the common numbers. That is minus 1 by 4, and here also minus 1 by 4 is there. So we can take this as common. We cannot do anything here, so we can multiply as this one. 1 into minus 3 divided by 2 4s are 8 minus. We are going to take this number out only now, so we can write the bracket first. Then we are multiply minus 1 by 4 we have taken outside. The remaining part 3 by 8 is there, plus and then minus 3 by 5 is there. Which property we used? By distributive property. Distributive property. By distributive property we have assigned here, and then which is equal to minus 3 by 8 minus, we want to take LCM first, this one. 5 8s are, no common number is there, so we can multiply the two numbers. 8 5s are 40, then cross multiply 3 5s are 15, minus into plus, minus 3 8s are 24 into 1 by 4, which is equal to, then here also you can, no, I cannot take. Okay. Next, minus 3 by 8 minus plus into minus minus. So 24 minus 15, 24 plus minus 24 plus 15, plus into minus minus only. So if you subtract, you will be getting 9. After 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, only 9 will be coming. So positive number 9, minus 9. Yeah, minus 9 divided by 40 into 1 by 4. Multiplication only, so you can multiply directly. 3 by 8 minus 1 9s are 9. Minus into minus, plus 9 divided by 4 4s are 16, 160. Then you can take LCM for these two numbers is 160. 8 20s are 160. If you have common number, you can cancel it. No common number, so we cannot cancel this term. 9 by 160. Then we can go for the LCM term. LCM of 8 and 160 is 160 only. You bring this 160, you need to multiply by 20, and then numerator also by 20. Multiply by 20. Minus 3 into 20. 3 22 to 6, 60 minus 60 plus 9. Here no need to do anything because 160 is there in numerator. Minus 60 plus 9 and 60 minus 60 plus 9 plus minus only. So here 10 and then 5, 10 minus 1, 1. 5 we can write it as bigger number symbol minus. So answer is minus 51 divided by 160. This is the answer. Next we see the next sum. Next sum, 9th one in exercise 1.2. Use commutative and distributive properties to simplify this question. 4 by 5 into minus 3 by 8 minus 3 by 8 into 1 by 4 plus 19 by 20. First we use commutative property. What is that commutative property? Interchanging the numbers. Which are the numbers we can interchange? Minus 3 by 8 is there. Here 3 by 8 is here. So you can any one of these two numbers. You can interchange it. By using commutative property you can interchange it. I am going to take this number. That is plus 4 by 5 into minus 3 by 8 I have taken first. I am going to write this as minus 3 by 8 into 4 by 5 by using which property used here? Commutative property. Commutative property. By using commutative property, I have rewritten this one. So I am going to apply in that question. That is, instead of this number, I am going to apply this one. Minus 3 by 8 into 4 by 5. Commutative property, you know that is A into B is equal to B into A. Then I have written then minus 3 by 8 into 1 by 4 plus 19 by 20. I have rewritten the question. Then again a common number is there. Minus 3 by 8 and minus 3 by 8 is common. So we can take outside. Which property? By using distributive property. 4 by 5 is the 3 by 8 came outside. The remaining in the first one 4 by 5 is there. The next one minus 3 by 8 came outside. So plus 1 by 4 is there. Then plus 119 by 20 you can write it. The next step. Minus 3 by again write as it is. Multiplication is there. And then 5 4s are 20. That is the LCM for these two numbers. Because there is no common number between 5 and 4. Here into cross multiplication 4 4s are 16. 5 1s are 5. Plus 19 divided by 20. Here which property we used here? By distributive property. We need to write each and every step. Reason also we need to write by distributive property. In the next step, minus 3 by 8 into 21 divided by 20 plus 19 divided by 20. Next we can multiply these two number and write it. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 63 divided by 8 2s are 16, 160 plus 19 divided by 20. If we take LCM, it will become 160 because in 20 table 160 will come and 160 table also 160 will be coming. So here you need to multiply by 160 means you need to multiply by 8. Here also 8. This you can keep it as it is. 63 plus 8 9s are 72. Well, carry over 7. 1 8 is 8. 8 plus 7 15. So you can subtract 152 plus 152 minus 63. Here you can cancel and write as 12 and then 14. Here also you can get borrow, that is 14. Then after 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 there are 9 numbers. Then after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 8 numbers. So it will become 89 divided by 160 plus only bigger. 152 is bigger number symbol plus here you need to apply this plus all here also. Thank you. If you have any doubt you can ask me in the comments.